Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a public facility, for example, a museum or a library that has been renovated and improved recently. You should say what the facility is, when it was renovated and improved, what has been renovated and improved, and explain how you feel about it. So the question is asking you about a public facility. So public facility can include a lot of things like bus stations, railway stations, or maybe parks, hospitals, or even a museum or a library, which is already given in the question. So you can speak about any such public facility for a question like this. Alright, let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Public facilities form an important part and parcel of our daily lives and ensure that basic needs of the people get fulfilled in an affordable manner. And today, I would like to speak about the park in my neighborhood that got revamped and upgraded. So we have used an idiom here which is part and parcel, which means something that is essential or integral. Fulfilled means completed, affordable means cheap. Revamped is a synonym for saying renovated, and upgraded means improved. So we have avoided the words that were already in the question. Moreover, it was restored about a couple of years ago when the local community head raised the issue at a committee meeting with the regional manager, and all the members agreed with the proposal. So we have answered the second question by saying that it was renovated or restored 2 years back. Okay, couple of years back means 2 years back when there was a local committee meeting and all the members who were participating in the meeting agreed that yes, the renovation of the park should be done. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, a separate kids play area has been added and benches installed at short intervals so that senior citizens can sit and rest comfortably when they get tired during their morning or evening walks, increasing the overall convenience. So we have started answering the third question, which is what has been renovated and improved. So installed means to set up. Intervals means distances. So what we are saying here is that at short distances, benches have now been set up so that senior citizens can rest when they are getting tired. Besides that, a wide variety of floral species have been planted alongside the walking and bicycling trails, thereby enhancing the aesthetic value of the park and making it look attractive. So floral species simply means flowers. Enhancing means improving or increasing. Aesthetic value means beauty. A small fountain also has been placed at the center of the park, which further makes it an eye candy. So we have used an idiom here which is makes it an eye candy, which means to look attractive or to catch attention. Finally, I feel on seventh heaven as the new and modernized park motivates me to go to the park often to get a break from my hectic schedule, as well as to find solace and calm in the peaceful and green environment. So we have used another idiom here which is feel on seventh heaven, which means to be very happy. Motivates means inspire, hectic schedule means busy schedule, and solace means to find comfort, especially when you are stressed. Thank you for your time, everyone.